It's a marvelous Manchester draw, and what a saved by Team India and their players. So, hello and welcome once again on my Cricket Chats 2.0 2024-2025, and it's a greatest test match. It's a high scoring once again, and Team India so their patience, their character, and they are skilled as well. So we are so happy with this draw, but it should have won the Lord's Test, and it would be a different score line of this series. But England are still ahead of this in this Test series. Tendulkar Anderson Trophy 2025. It's 2-1. Now the last Test match, it will be starts from 31st July to 4th August 2025 at Oval London. But it will be a great chance to level the series like 2021-2022. But here it's a greatest character shows by our Team India. 358 with the help of 3 half centuries. 54 Rishabh Pant also made with injury, and it was the bold and brave decision taken by the team management and Rishabh Pant. Hats off that's effort after injury in their foot. He had gone to play and complete his half century. So 358, it was the good total but not a decent. And 3669, England had made 150 Joe Root, 141 Ben Stokes, and 311. First time in 10 years anybody had taken upper 300 plus runs lead, and it means our bowling had not up to the mark in this test match. And Jussi were playing, but he were not looking in the form. And in the first innings, Jadeja and Washington Sundar 6 wicket shares, 4 for Jadeja, 2 for 2 for Washington Sundar. So 311, it was need to a great start, and we were hoping, but Jaiswal some stupidness in his mind, and once again he got failed. KL Rahul, we have to praise because 90 runs he has made. And again Suman Gill, it was a superb. So 103, it is a match saving knock. And again Jadeja and Washington Sundar had played a rock star role, and it's a match saving. They were definitely a good saver, especially Washington Sundar. He has taken a chances and grabbed their chances and cement their place in the Team India's playing 11. So he will be the great contender ahead of Kuldeep Yadav in the next test match as well, and it is the first choice for Gautam Gambhir. So I think it has been a greatest test series for individually of Indian players, but for result prospectus, I think India are much behind from England. So let's see in the last test match what will happen. Joe Root declared the player of the, I think Ben Stokes declared the player of the match, because he has taken a fiper and hit 100, brilliant 100, and leading from the front, especially when England were so behind. It was the 1-1 level the series, but in last test he has taken the pressure, and he hold the knobs of the team, and his individually performance in the last test and here. So he has a greatest captain for England. It's a best ball, not only in the batting, is also in attacking captaincy and as a attacking bowling. But we have to praise our boys also, because in Team India had one stage it looks like so behind in this test match, but it's a brilliant batting. Sometimes it is equally to win this any test match, we say like a draw. So the next test match will be a key of, and it will be the decider of that series. If England wins, definitely the series will win, and the trophy of Tendulkar and Ranji Trophy will be in England, and if the test match draw, definitely in England. But if India will win, trophy will be in England, but Team India will be much satisfied with this young guns. So let's see what will happen. But here is the news. It's draw. It's greatest draw, one of the greatest draw by Team India, and thanks to the all the batters. Their 300s happened in Manchester last time. Sachin Tendulkar, a great legendary Indian batter, and my ideal, my everything, god of cricket, has hit 100 as any Indian at Manchester. Then Suman Gill, then Jadeja, and then Washington Sundar. So this is the story. Ben Stokes again has argued with umpires. It was the embarrassing moment. England wanted to draw this test match, hands 15 overs left, but Jadeja and Sundar hadn't give the chance to England. They wanted to play till the last over and complete their centuries, and same happened. And this is the greatest aggressive cricket played by India and saved the Manchester Test as well. So if you miss the action, you can go on the Sony 10.3 in Hindi, Sony 10.3 Sports in Hindi, and Sony Sports 10.3.5 HD on the TV channels. And if you can watch the whole highlight of this test match, सिर्फ सोनी पे दिखेगा, and you can go enjoy their cable network of the Sony channels, Sony Sports channels actually. Thank you so much for being here. And the last test match with extra innings, it starts from 2:30 p.m. on the 31st July, live and exclusive on the Sony 10.5 Sports 5 HD, Sony 10.3 Sports 3 HD in Hindi. Thank you so much. And if you miss, go on the channels and live watch and experience with the cricket action. Thank you once again, highly thank you. And you are watching my videos, and in the huge number of video you can watch and enjoy my channel as well. Good night, have a great night.